welcome back to another microfiber only video. Today I got this interior lighting kit for my Mustang, and I'm going to explain the importance this is going to be to my channel. But just for right now, today we're just going to see what's inside the box and install it. So when you open up the box, here's your light tubes here, nothing aside. And I believe these are your what you connect your light tubes into. These are the LED heads. These are what actually I believe show the color and whatnot. It comes with 3 of them. So, and these are extensions. So if you need to have more length, or you want to add more, you know what I mean. Comes with a sticker. That's dope. Definitely putting this on the Mustang. And this is the actual power source. You connect this to any outlet in your car. It comes with this blue wire here in case you have 5 volts, but normal car has 12 volts. So I wrapped it around here to make it look nice, but it doesn't come like this. It's loose and whatnot. And these are also connectors. It comes with a 3M tape or whatnot. Alright, so I'm going to set it up, figure out where I want to put it in the car, and we'll continue from there. First thing to do is to get the app. Alright, click install. And wait for that to download. Alright, let's open it. Do you want to pair the controller with the smart device now? Sure. Alright, connect the controller to the power. It's already done. It's connected. Next. Allow. Alright. Oh, that was easy. I didn't do anything. Cool. Please check. Yeah. Blah blah. Alright, so we connected. So next thing you want to do, you want to check and make sure things are working. So we're going to open the box. Working. Hey guys, welcome back. I figured out what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to wrap this around the center console. Don't mind the dirt in the car, just installing all these things in and out. I got a lot of dirt in here. So when you look at it, the head here, this is the flathead screw. You have to unscrew it, and then you can put this tube inside here, and you screw it back in, and the screw holds this in place, because this is where the light actually comes from. When you get around these panels in here, you just gotta, it's like an upward motion, because it goes in a little up. Alright, you can kind of see the light coming in since it's still sunlight. It's creased to here. All these are connected. So what I'm going to do now is there's a little bit of space right here that reaches to the other side. So when I connect it, it's gonna meet in the middle here. So if you're wondering how to do it in a Mustang, yeah, I had to take it out of where I placed it, because it was hard to put it in here without doing that. So after you test it out, I think it's better if you guys just get everything set up, then place it last. Yeah, you can grab this on the other side. So we're back on the app, and we're gonna see if it's connecting and try to change the colors. Yeah, it's changing to. By the way, I slide it over. Christmas. It's pretty dope.
Put it on camera.
Valentine. No, it's on. Ocean breeze. Robe. That's pretty cool. It's gonna look really nice at nighttime. Alright. Okay. Oh, it's gonna play music, I guess. Add a new song. I got some Jay-Z on here, but anything without. Alright, let's go back here. There you go. Alright, so I add a song. Let's see, how do you change the color? Oh, okay. Got it. Let's do attention. And you can add your own one. That's cool. Awesome. Alright, and there's speed. You can program this app to the speed that you want. So if you go on 50 miles per hour, you can have 50 miles per hour one color. 80 miles per hour, 80 miles per hour, another color. 100, and so on and so on. This is the main reason why I got this app. And we're gonna try it out in another video, not today. This is just a review and install. So this app is pretty cool. You can do a whole lot of things, so you can choose any color. There's a chameleon mode also on here, where it really just takes whatever it sees, it changes the color to, or it matches it. There's not a lot of colors in here. This is adorned.
That's cool, look.
Red. Yellow. Green strap, shorts. Well, it doesn't see me as a black person. I don't know what. Damn, it's pretty cool. You even try to match that. But anyways, you guys get the point. So this is the install for the XKGlow Fiber Optic Interior Kit. Thank you for watching another video of microfiber only. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. See you next time.